Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging Magazine, and I'm here with Professor Surin from the Office of National Higher Education of Thailand.
Yeah.
So, sir, you are here today, I guess, to talk about the education for the new engineers and managers and designers which are coming through our industry.
Yes, because of this is a big industry, electronics.
Yeah.
And then Thailand, we have a policy that we're gonna focus on one of the a major boost for electronic industry. And then more importantly, how we're gonna find manpower into industry. And then that's why I am here. Because of we also have a policy to generate a new curriculum, new skill for our students, and then for the electronic industry for the future of Thailand.
Yeah, and there's a lot of investment from the government, from academia, from everyone to drive this effort.
Yes, exactly. Because of the government, they know that we need 80,000 engineers in the next 5 years. So how we gonna have that kind of manpower? So that's why all the policy, university, and then they have to change curriculum to catch up electronic industry now. Yeah.
Yes, I interviewed a gentleman yesterday and he told me the 80,000 number and I laughed then, but I'm getting used to it now.
Yeah.
Because it's a huge undertaking when you think about it.
Yeah.
And also it's everything from semiconductor design right the way through the whole ecosystem of, let's call it electronics manufacturing and build.
Yeah. So it's all the supply chain from the start and then to stop. And then first it's kind of the beginning. So what kind of IC design we're gonna have? We need almost 2,500 engineers for the IC design in the next 5 years. And we also need a fabrication sensor, and that kind of engineer is about 5,000 something. And also the operator, technician support for the PCB like this. So we need maybe 40,000 people over there. And after that there is a costing staff.
And then you have the people coming through higher education to be like junior manager and this kind of thing.
Yeah,
also.
that's at top level.
Yeah, it's a huge challenge.
Yeah, it's really, really big challenge for Thailand because of we have a new kid, the bond of the new kid is only 500,000 people, and in all the 500,000 we have only 50% to get into the higher education.
Yeah.
So it means that we have less than 300,000 students, and then in that 300,000 students we need to be engineer. In only industry, electronic industry itself.
Yeah. But you seem to be, I know the program is not yet finished, but it seems to be very successful so far and everybody seems to have a lot of energy about this.
Yeah, we try to create awareness, let's say that. And then the awareness is not only in university, it's the whole, let's say the supply chain or ecosystem for Thailand education as well. So that's why it's kind of a lot of people interested in it.
Yeah, and I've talked to companies and they are going into universities to basically make that strong bond between the academic and the manufacturing life, if you like.
So it's kind of it's a partnership because of now we cannot be a university as a alone, because I am a professor in university as well. And then we know that industry and technology, they change really fast. So if we have a strong partnership like an industry, so it's going to make our curriculum more updated, and then the skill that for the student and future worker going to be match.
It's this cooperation that excites me most because I've seen other countries who are going through this ramp up.
Yeah.
And they have this disconnect. And you end up with people who maybe leave university, they have a lot of intelligence, but they don't have the practical knowledge and experience.
Yeah, and also the government itself, we also working with the BOI, Board of Investment. They're gonna tell us that, hey, we have international investment, gonna have this kind of industry in Thailand, and then they're gonna ask us that do you have a workers? Do you have like a high skill labor force for us? And then what kind of workforce you have right now? And then that's kind of number just coming up. And then once we know that number, I need to talk with the supply.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then our supply is a university.
Yeah. You need to build the framework.
Yeah. So that's why, like my organization is all about.
Yeah. And I have to say it's great to be here and talk to you and see even from you the enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And I see this all around this exhibition.
Yeah.
You know, everybody is very positive. Everybody is almost have like the same focus.
Yes.
And also an understanding that this is going to be the future for Thailand.
Yeah. And then I'm so happy that when I walk today, and then before coming to the interview like this, I saw a lot of like a student in university. They walk around.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So it means that they are interested in this industry, and then they are looking for the job as well.
That's great to hear because you know we always say the young people are our future.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from the BOI through to yourselves, through to even the global manufacturers who are in Thailand, everybody has this same feeling and the same like mental approach.
Yeah.
And I think it can do nothing else but succeed.
Yeah.
Because everyone is like all part of the same team.
Yeah. So we not only invest with the industry itself to give them the benefits for the tax incentive, that kind of thing, but we also invest with the people. That's why you say invest with the young is going to be the most like assets that we're going to have in the future.
Yeah. Regardless of the automation that's growing in our industry, we are still going to need good, strong people.
Yeah.
And you know, it's the key to growth because machines you can buy and 6 weeks later it's sat on your floor.
Yeah.
But to have people who can work these machines well and who want to do it and who understand, this is a longer, more difficult process.
Adding to that in your comments, you know that in the industry like this, your equipment or your machine, you can change every 10 years, right? So 10 years you change technology and then you just have a new one. But people, you still like a lifetime of the people is longer than the machine.
Yeah, and with the people and the skill set, it's a continuous learning process also.
Yeah, experience-wise, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's all right.
No, it's great. I'm really happy to talk to people like yourselves. I think the future for Thailand is really great. Yeah. And for electronics manufacturing here, it's going to be very strong.
Yeah. We hope so. And then we focus to that.
And thank you for sharing with us this morning.
Thank you very much to have it.
No, it's great from my side to hear.
Yeah.
And that's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing out.